What's up guys, today's video is on the best cat enclosures. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Zampa Portable Foldable Pet Playpen. Available in a variety of shades to match the personality of your cat, Zampa's Pet Playpen is the perfect second outdoor pet home. The stylish 8-panel design is made for all seasons, whether it's the height of summer or the middle of a frosty winter season. The water-resistant materials and detachable roof will keep your cat dry and ventilated. If you're quickly rushing out to hang out the washing, taking your cat with you will take no time at all. Just take Zampa's outdoor cat playpen out of its carrying bag, and it will pop up on its own accord. Putting away this portable K-show is just as simple, and Zampa have even put together a video teaching confused pet owners how to fold it away. Personally, we couldn't love this cat shelter more. Number 2. EliteField 2-Door Soft Pet Playpen. Available in 8 different sizes and colors, EliteField's foldable pet playpen provides the perfect second home for your inquisitive feline. Complete with 2 accessory pockets and a water bottle pocket, everything your cat could possibly need has a designated spot. If you want to chuck in a few toys or blankets for their comfort, each one of the 8 sizes is big enough to hold numerous toys from your cat's indoor toy box. For reference, the largest playpen EliteField offer boasts 62 inches depth and breadth and height of 32 inches. There are 2 doors on this cat enclosure, with each one including locking zippers to grant you the peace of mind that you crave, even though you should be right beside your cat as they play outdoors. For those who don't have a garden, this pet playpen is designed to be carried around and even comes with a handy storage bag. Number 3. Kittywalk Outdoor Net Cat Enclosure. Kittywalk's teal outdoor net cat enclosure is certainly a little pricier than other kitty enclosures, that's for sure. But this product will be the last outdoor pet enclosure you'll ever have to buy. Shaped like a tunnel, the open net construction provides 360-degree visibility and the best outdoor ventilation available for your indoor cats. If you live somewhere like the Windy City, for example, the solid steel wickets and ripstop netting will keep this outdoor cat enclosure tethered to the ground. If you believe that your boisterous cats will be the crux of the problem, outriggers stabilize the tower. Even astute cats who love to plot escapes won't be able to outsmart this incredible secure cat enclosure. But customers, and our personal favorite feature, has to be Kittywalk's cat enclosure's compatibility with the Kittywalk lawn system that further extends the space they have available, and likewise their comfort. Number 4. Stress-Free Cage Carrier and Litter Box. The Nokoichi Portable Stress-Free Cat Cage and Litter Box Set provide your cat with all home comforts in one place in a secure area. Included in the set there is an enclosure, a comfortable fleece mat, and a litter box. This is an ideal purchase if you intend to travel with your furry friend. The enclosure features 2 large mesh panels for airflow and makes sure that your cat can see what is going on, which reduces stress. However, if the kitty needs some privacy, the sides can be rolled down. For car travel, there are seat belt straps, and the whole cage is easy to transport and store. Even the litter box collapses. Number 5. Wildwhiskers Outdoor Feline Funhouse. Wildwhiskers Outdoor Feline Funhouse is great for injured pets who have isolation, adult cats who love feeling the breeze, and a new litter of fragile kittens. Completely enclosed in mesh, your cat will have such a great amount of space that they'll be able to stand up on their back legs to stretch without even hitting the top. Another innovative design feature is the stakes that keep it nicely secured to the ground for those felines who have the misfortune of living in windy states. Even traveling in RVs will be an improvement for your cat with this nifty cat furniture. Cat houses that they've frequented before will make them feel much more at ease if it's a space that they feel comfortable in. And with its pop-up construction, it will take pet owners absolutely zero effort to set this heavy-duty cat tent up. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.